Hello, this is a standby screen.
只有你的外
Nhìn sẽ ai lộ ra.
Một sai lệch chiếu đồ cái phổ ra.
Now make some video and pictures by body-worn camera. Now connect the body-worn camera to a docking station via USB and HDMI cable. Now enter the password. The initial password is 0000 and 0 60. Now first, for the first time to use one body-worn camera, it is required to be registered. Here is the device number, and here is the policeman number. For example, we enter device number as 0001 and then police number. My name. Okay, it is successfully registered. Now it automatically uploaded the data to a docking station.
你的有音了啊，好了，你的反应。
然后点开那个一排。Okay, this is a platform to log in. First, enter the administration. And the password is 123456. Now this is November 27. This is the video we just uploaded just now.
点一下这个播放。
This is the picture we made just now. Open the computer. From this text, you can see the device number and the policeman number. You can also modify these two numbers here.